everyone, this is Bunny from CRITT Lab. Today I would like to talk about how to fix a segment level alignment problem in YAWAT. Just take this project as an example. We can see that there is no translation for the second segment. However, after a closer look, we found that its translation should be the part from 一个 to the period, which means that we need to move this part from the first box to the second one in the target text. And by doing this, we need to change the segment ID of this part from 1 to 2 in the target text. So how can we do that? First of all, we need to go back to the TPD database and try to find the project labeled J4, and then we click on Download Alignments. Here we have is alignment files. There will be 3 kind of files in the folder. The first one is labeled ATAG. It is the master file. It is concerning the relationship between the segment ID number of the source text and that of the target text. And the second file labeled TGT, it is concerning the segment ID number of the target text. And the last one, it is about the source text. Remember that we never touch upon source text file. And in this video, I will just introduce how to make changes in the target text file. We need to open the file by using the software Notepad++. And in default, this file can only be read instead of edit. So I need to save the file again in order to edit it. Let's just save it in the downloads folder. And here is one thing we need to remember. We cannot change the file name, otherwise it would cause a problem. And now we can edit it. Remember the problem we need to fix. We need to change the segment ID number of the part from 一个 to the period from 1 to 2. So first we just find the part 一个 and the 一个 from 一个 to the period, and we need to change their ID numbers from 1 to 2. Here I can change the ID numbers manually, and you have another quicker alternation. You can press the keys Ctrl+F, and then we just click on replace, and then we try to find segment ID equals 1. We try to find next and replace until the period. Now we finished all the modification. We need to save the file, and we just close it and try to find our files in our downloads folder. Here it is. This is the file we just modified. And next, we need to compress it to zipped file. Also, we cannot change its name. After that, we can upload the modified file into our database. And then we choose the file, this one, the zipped file, and enter the study name, J4, and then we upload it. This is the good sign, which means that we uploaded it successfully. And just to double check whether it works, we just open YAWAT and try to find. Oh yeah, now it works. The second segment and its translation are correctly aligned in YAWAT. Okay, so that's the process of how to fix a segment level alignment problem in YAWAT. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. Apart from the problem that I mentioned in the former part, sometimes we may also encounter problems like blank boxes in YAWAT, which means there may be something missing in the target text. So we may need to make some changes in the project's alignment files. Remember how to find the alignment files? First, we need to go back to the TPD database and find the corresponding project J4. After that, we click on the button Download Alignments. Okay, here it is. We just open the file and we can see there are three kind of files in the folder, which I have already introduced in the former video. To fix the blank box problem, first we need to check the target text file just to figure out the total number of segments that should be in the target text. And here we can see it should be 5 segments. There should be 5 segments in target text. However, in YAWAT, we only see 4 of them. So there may be something wrong with the master file, the ATAG file. We just open it to check. Oh yeah, we see that there are only 4 segments displayed here, and the 5th segment line is missing. So we need to create a new line for the 5th segment. And because the file, the txt file is in read-only format, first I need to save the file in my download folder. Remember not to change the file name, and then I can edit it. Just to copy the line and paste it, and we need to change the number from 4 to 5. Okay, and then we save the ATAG file and we need to zip it. Here is the file that we modified just now, and I need to compress it to zipped file. After that, we can upload the file to the TPD database. So we just go back and choose file, choose the one that we modified, and enter the study name, and then we upload it. And these are good signs. We just have a quick check. Now the problem fixed. Okay, so that's the procedures involved in fixing blank boxes problem in YAWAT. So if you have any questions, just email us. Thank you.